Coates is the world's leading industrial thread company with more than 250 years of history and is headquartered in the UK. We operate in more than 70 countries and have the employer network of 20,000 industrial leading experts. Coates is an FTSE 250 listed company and a constituent of the FTSE 4 Good Index. In addition to this, Coates is also a proud participant in the UN Global Compact. In Bangladesh, we have two plants, Gazipur and Chittagong, and the headquarter is in Dhaka. Welcome to Coates Bangladesh Ltd, Gazipur, Dhaka. The Gazipur plant has started its operations back in 2002 with a capacity of less than 1 ton per day. And over time, it has become the biggest factory of coats in Bangladesh with a capacity of over 23 tons per day. Sewing thread, dyeing and finishing are the main operations of the factory. Coates has always been committed in protecting the environment and practicing sustainability. As a part of our global sustainability strategy, we have 5 priority areas to focus upon. These are water, energy, effluent, social and material. Amongst these 5 priorities, effluent management is the most critical one considering its impact on the environment. To manage the effluents, Coates' strategy is reduce and clean. Under reduce initiatives, Coates Bangladesh reduced over 30% of effluents generation against 2020 and over 40% against the year 2018. And under the clean strategy, we are confirming 100% safe water discharge to protect our environment. The conventional ETP, which is a biochemical ETP, has been established back in 2010. Though it is confirming 100% compliance as per DOE limits, but has no recycling facility and generates significant amount of sludge. To overcome the limitation of the current old ETP, Coates Bangladesh Ltd has established its new digitalized ETP with a state-of-the-art technology for reusing wastewater. The technology of the new ETP is based on biological membrane bioreactor and reverse osmosis with a Xylem online critical parameter monitoring system. The capacity of this new ETP is 2100 meter cube per day with 80% water recycling capacity, which is upgradable to zero liquid discharge option with evaporators in the future. The new ETP comprises of 4 major segments: biological operations, MBR filtration, RO operation, and reject treatment. All the effluents from dyeing machines directly enter into the screening tank through hot blast tank, and the ETP process starts with the screening of effluents. For the basic improvement of the water and proper bacteria growth, screened water is processed through an equalization tank, cooling tower, and oxidation tank. After biological operation, water overflows to the membrane bioreactor, which is called MBR, to produce RO feed. During RO operation, 80% of treated water is recycled and sent back to the process, and the remaining 20% of RO rejected water is sent to the reject treatment area for chemical treatment. Before the final discharging, rejected water is treated in the reject treatment area. A part of the discharged water is used for toilet flushing, cleaning the road, and for gardening purposes. The remaining treated water is released to the City Corporation drainage system. Sludge is separated by filter press, dried in sludge shade by using daylight, and then sent to a cement manufacturing company for co-processing to ensure zero environmental impact from ETP sludge. The whole plant can be operated from a single computer window or remotely by supervisory control and data acquisition system known as SCADA. COATS is one of the responsible organizations in Bangladesh to establish this type of an ETP. Due to its 80% recycling capacity, daily about 500,000 litres and annually over 240 million litres of groundwater extraction will be reduced. Additionally, this new ETP will reduce 144 tonne of sludge annually. We have only one Earth in this universe to live, so it is our collective responsibility to preserve and protect the environment to ensure people and nature thrives.